woman basically. It has nothing to do whether you're a star or a celebrity or something. And now jewelry or a jeweler that has a family legacy along with your family is a very big thing. And P.N. Gadgil is such a family for me because, as you know, it's not only a jewelry store that has opened just yesterday. They have a legacy of hundreds and hundreds of years coming down from their great-grandfathers. And as you can see with their success story, it speaks its own language. The success of P.N. Gadgil is not only because they are smart businessmen. They are smart businessmen in the sense that they bring you innovative and novel things. जैसे नई चीजें आई हैं, जैसे कि एक kiosk आज आया है, which मेरे knowledge में तो I think this is the first of its kind in India. मैंने तो किसी और जगह पे सुना नहीं है where you can actually, you know, through the computer check which looks good on you on your own photograph and then buy. नहीं तो हम लोग आईने के सामने लेके बैठे रहते हैं, इयररिंग्स लगा के देखते रहते हैं, अपने सहेलियों से पूछते रहते हैं. आजकल तो फोटोग्राफ सेल्फी लेके फिर व्हाट्सएप करते हैं, पहले ये लूँ कि नहीं लूँ. So, but I think ये बहुत ही अच्छा एक आइडिया है कि जहाँ आप अपने आप को ही देख सकते हैं, you can take the jewelry and figure out के whether this is something that you should be buying or not. अच्छा है ना, चाँद तो हूँ सर. एक अच्छी बात तो कही.
Okay, Ravina, so being a Bollywood celebrity and a
but normally I'm never late. It was the first time, but like I said, unfortunately, actually, I'm not well today. So it took me time to kind of do everything together. So I'm still slipping and I'm still a little under the weather. So forgive me today this time.
Yeah, so being a public figure and an actor as well, so do you have some extra sort of affection and love for jewelry?
I think being a woman basically, it has nothing to do whether you're a star or a celebrity or something. And nowadays I feel more than anyone else, people actually buy jewelry also as investment. It's a necessity. Today even the government offers you schemes where you buy gold because these are things that never go down. These are things that are priceless. Today you, I'm not sure whether you're married or no. Are you married? No. No, yeah? The day you will get married, that day also you'll start thinking of a so if you want to have good marks every day at home, you'll be thinking, chalo anniversary, birthday, I have to give my wife something. And besides the fact that even when you have your own children, so I feel it is always important to start investing because कल को आपको बेटी होगी, बेटी की शादी करानी, obviously a daughter, you know, and girls like to dress up their best during their wedding day. I definitely do not believe in any kind of dowry or any kind of thing, so that is a no-no. But on their own, women like to dress up. So the day, like I was getting married, I made a beautiful set for myself to go with my ghagra choli and everything. The same way you'll have to think ahead. You know, okay, my daughter will want to, you know, on her wedding day. So, but prices are not going down. Why? Prices are only going up. So, for me, it's an investment. So today what I'm buying, I know 20 years later when my daughter is ready to get married or my son is ready to get married and I have to give it to my babu, it will be really bloody expensive. So I feel it is also the right kind of investment but with the right people. There are so many times, I'll tell you, in the past when I have bought jewelry at some different stores and there's been no ISI mark on it or no gold mark on it, and today when I see, I come to buy 17 karat gold. So buy at a jeweler whom you feel has that credibility and you trust. That's very important, and that is why my association basically with P.N. Gadgil.
And what do you think about this try-on feature? How beneficial it's going to be for jewelry business?
I think I started my whole talk with you all only by mentioning that I think it's a great idea. Because like I said, all women really love to dress up and they love to see their parents also dressed up. So I think it's a great idea.
रवीना जी तो आपको गिफ्ट लेना पसंद है या देना पसंद है ज्वेलरी?